All right, good morning, boys. What is up? It's your boy Juan back with another video. Here's how I made $3,705 trading the Nasdaq this morning on the short position. I'm gonna give you guys a quick trade breakdown into what I saw, what I took, and how I was able to secure a good winning day. All right, boys, 3.7K on the day across the three SFAs. As you guys can see, 1.2K across all three. Sums up about that. All right, boys. Here's the trade. Without further ado, let's get right into the trade breakdown. Coming into market open, guys, I had a bearish bias. Why? Because price was simply creating and respecting already bearish PD arrays. At the time of this trade, we were inside a 1 hour bearish gap. As you guys can see right about here, right? This gap in between. At the time of this trade, what are we doing? We're creating lower lows and lower highs. We're trending to the downside, all right? We also had a lot of liquidity to target. We did have all this low resistance liquidity right here. We're trending down overall. My draws on liquidity today were London lows. When we zoom into the lower time frames, besides being inside a 1 hour bearish gap, pre-market price had already created a 5 minute bearish gap. So those are two confluences right there that hence gave me a bearish bias coming into market open. Right here we have a 5 minute price tapped and respected it two times. Right at this, I believe, right at market opening, to be quite precise. It was right about here. I entered right before this nasty reversal to the upside that I'm not sure why it happened. But at the time of this trade, this is exactly how price looked, right? We have London lows about here. We are inside a 1 hour bearish gap. We just created a 5 minute bearish gap. We have two bearish PD arrays, and prices overall in the higher time frames very bearish, right? We're trending to the downside. Evidently, there's nothing bullish about this. My draws on liquidity when I look at this were obviously London lows. Sure, I knew we could come higher, manipulate higher, wake out and take out this internal highs and then flush lower. But overall, I was bearish towards these lows right here. What did we do? We immediately swept these lows before fucking chopping and doing whatever the fuck we did. Actually ended up presenting a nice setup, a nice continuation, nice trendy day. We just trended to the downside, right? I entered right at this displacement to the downside, waited for this 1 minute retrace, and entered at this third candle displacing lower. Caught a 1 and 2 towards London lows. And here I'll show my executions right now. So you guys will see exactly my entry and all that. Really one trade, right? As I said, 1 minute retrace. Price came and respected a 1 minute imbalance right here. So it's three PD arrays on top of each other, right? Enter as soon as I saw this rejection from this 1 minute imbalance. I already have two PD arrays stacked on top of each other. London lows is my next draw. TP smacked. Quick, done, and easy. All right, boys. Continuation model towards the next draw on liquidity. Not predicting any reversals at the time. Strictly focusing on continuations only. Purely continuations. A plus setup. I went in with 20 macros and got the fucking job done. Part of my French. This is a brand new XFA. I will be keeping you guys updated into how I manage it. So far, the continuation model has me an 80% win rate. Up currently 1.8. That's about 5.5K in just the past 3 trading days. And here are the performance stats. So far, I'm still missing some days. We still got a bit of work to do, but payout will surely be secure. Yeah, about 5.5K across all these three on just 3 trading days. Strictly New York session, strictly continuations. You guys will see it. Go ahead and make sure you click on my YouTube link, so you guys can see the short and you guys can see this trade being caught in real time. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.